What's going on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening here with another quick garden tip. Today I'm going to share with you what to use instead of those flimsy cheap 10 by 20 trays. So you can see here I have this Sterilite container, you just get from Walmart. It's a 28 quart and it basically measures 16 by 20. So it is a little bit wider than your typical 10 by 20 tray, but if you're using only like 2 or 3, even 4 of these, it's cheaper than buying those Bootstrap Farmer or like the Epic Gardening cell trays that are like $40–50 for like a pack of 5. But if you are using more than 4 or 5, then go by all means get those, because those are definitely good trays. But what I do, these were $5 Walmart. I believe you can buy a 2-pack instead for $7 or $8 right now, even in 2022, 2023 right here. What I do is I just take this container and I will line up with my seed starting cells all throughout this container here, and then this lid here kind of acts as a humidity dome. So just having something that's sturdy, because this is hard plastic, this is not going to bend unless you put like 100 pounds in it. So when you pick it up, you don't have to worry about your trays twisting or bending like those flimsy ones you can buy at the store, like the Jiffy brand, and I'm sure there's other brands, many other brands out there on Amazon. But this will keep your plants safe, your seedlings safe, especially as you go to pick them up. This is hardy plastic that will not break or bend or do anything that could harm your plants. And then as they're still sprouting, I will just put this lid on, and since this is a tallish container, they will have plenty of room to grow if they sprout. And then as soon as they start to sprout, this humidity cover can just come right off. This is also good for propagating smaller plants, because you have that option with the lid. Or you can propagate, taller things such as fig cuttings, hardwood cuttings, things like that, just because this is a good, solid container. So I hope you liked that video and really got something out of it. If you want to see my seed starting journey, which will be coming out in just a few short weeks, I encourage you to subscribe to see that and to really maybe learn a couple new things that you really haven't thought about before. So until I see you then, I hope you have a good day.